Hi, everybody. Well, today is, I guess now it's early Tuesday morning, and you'll figure out the date. I guess it's the 20th. It's after 1 a.m., but before 2 a.m. So between 1 and 2 a.m., very early in the morning. And I just got in my cycling workout, but today I'm going to talk about another food combination. And this one is lentils with whole wheat pasta. So the lentils come in different varieties. You can get what are called green lentils. They're really light brown. That's the most common variety you'll see in stores. And then some places or online also you can get red lentils. Sometimes those are split. Often if you buy them online, they're split red lentils. But the kind I get at Walmart are the whole kind. And then also you can get the French lentils, which are black. And I guess online, a friend told me that he likes the green lentils. No, not the green lentils. The yellow lentils. I guess they're yellow. And so I did see those online. I haven't tried those yet, but that's another way you can have them. But anyway, so what I do is I cook my lentils with whole wheat pasta. And you just kind of, I don't use any measuring instruments. I just kind of like use my sight to kind of figure out what's about the right amount, sort of like a sense of feel. And so you put the lentils in there and the whole wheat pasta in there and your water, and you stir it. And then when it's done, you can let it cool down a while. So I don't really cook much. I bring it to a boil and that's about it. And then I turn it way down and I just turn it right off pretty soon. So the whole wheat pasta and the lentils will continue to soften up and soak up the hot water and sort of continue to cook as they're cooling down. And after that, you can stir in some oils. Now, today I made a batch, and I made it with 5 different oils. So I had peanut oil. That's a product from Luana, but maybe you can get it from other brands. And then everything else was great value from Walmart. So I had a little bit of corn oil and some sunflower oil and canola oil and soybean oil. So that was 5 different oils. And except for the Luana peanut oil, they were all from great value. And the whole wheat pasta was from great value. And the red lentils were from great value. So it was all a Walmart meal except for the Luana peanut oil. But another interesting thing is when I have the common cold, like you get a cold, right? Well, of course, I have my cough drops. But one thing I do is one of the best things I found to eat for, making me feel better when I have the common cold, it really seems to help quite a lot with the symptoms and stops the coughing and everything, is green lentils. Those are, again, the light brown lentils, and just cooked alone with some water. You boil them, and you don't have to boil them very long. You just bring them to a boil, and then, like you said, you turn off the heat, and they'll finish cooking while they're cooling down. And then you have, you can just stir in, I've just stirred in canola and soybean oils mixed together in a 1-to-1 ratio. And that's about it. I don't need anything on the side for that. And it really helps with the common cold. So lentils are a great thing. If you don't know what they're all about, you can look them up online on Wikipedia and search for them. You can see what they're, about shopping for them online. But I think they're great. And so I'd see we're over 3.5 minutes into the video. I think that's long enough. And that's what I had today. I'm going to have some more of that pretty soon. But I cooked a big batch. I had 1 pound of red lentils with a decent amount of whole wheat pasta and, the other oils and stuff. So anyway, enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great time, everybody. Thank you very much.